Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Phonepe and going straight to your profile. This is where account links live. Once in profile, tap Settings and choose Manage Bank Accounts or Account Settings depending on your app version. Make sure your device has mobile network or Wi-Fi because SMS verification will follow. If prompted, allow Phonepe to access SMS and contacts so the app can detect verification OTPs. This reduces manual typing. Now you're ready to add or change the phone number associated with your account. Next, select Change Phone Number and enter the new number with the correct country code. Accuracy matters because OTPs won't arrive otherwise. Once you submit, Phonepe sends an OTP. If your SMS permissions are enabled, the app often auto-read it. If not, type the digits quickly. While waiting, keep the SIM active and do not close the app. After successful OTP verification, Phonepe links the number to your profile and updates UPI bindings where applicable, so transactions use the new contact. Finish by confirming your UPI PIN still works. Sometimes you must re-authenticate or reset the PIN for security, so complete that step if prompted. Once linked, run a small transaction or check your account page to verify the number shows correctly. If OTP does not arrive, wait 2 minutes then request a resend. Ensure the SIM is in the same phone and has network. If problems persist, clear app cache or contact Phonepe support for assisted verification. This resolves most edge case sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.